Alright, what's up there everybody? It's your girl Shay Skylar and I'm back with another video. What's up if you're a returning subby, and what's up if you're new to my channel? Thank you for coming. So today is going to be a wig review, and also I am going to be installing it. A lot of people have requested how I install my wig, so I'm going to be doing that today. The wig that I'm going to be installing is brought to you by Nadula Hair Company on Amazon, and this is the box that the hair came in. This is their 14-inch grade 8A 13 by 6 150% density body wave hair. And I'm excited about this, y'all. But this is how the hair looks. I love the curls. It's very thick, very full. Remember, it is 150% density. It is a 13 by 6, so we have 6 inches of parting space here. The construction, we have 4 combs. We have 1 in the middle, 2 on the side, and then 1 in the back. We have our lace here in the back that I'm going to chop off, and then of course the lace here. Let's look at the hairline. I think the hairline is constructed pretty well. It is pre-plucked, so we do have our baby hairs, and then we do have the construction here. So yeah, this is my natural hair, y'all. I accidentally cut my hair when I was taking out some crochet. I want to say it was like 2 months ago when I had the flu. So my hair is definitely shorter. I'm really sad, but it's okay because my hair grows fast and I've been oiling it and all that good stuff. So it is what it is, okay? Also today, for the first time, I'm gonna be trying the airbrush legs. This is the spray that they use. Instead of using concealer and foundation, they go ahead and spray it on. So yeah, I'm gonna braid my hair, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray this on first. The color that I'm using is Tan Glow. They have different colors. So yeah, this is my first time. We'll see how this goes. Okay. Now, y'all saw how that came out like 2 different colors? How did that happen? Let's spray in the top again. All right, so this is how it looks. And then they say they set it with a spray, some spritz here. So I'm just gonna spray some spritz, and I'm gonna let that dry while I braid my hair. The pattern of my hair is gonna just go straight back. And since my hair is straight, I don't have to do them super small, so I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I got my ball cap on. I'm not good at doing ball caps. I usually don't, but for the purpose of this video, I will. And since my hair is straight and I really don't have like grip, I'll do it. So the next thing that I do is I'm gonna go ahead and comb all the hair back, and then I am going to cut off the lace, okay? Cutting off the lace is very simple. You can use a razor, or you can use a scissors. It's totally up to you, okay? I'm gonna fit it and see how it fits. Tell y'all if it's big head friendly or not. Alright, so this is where I'm gonna place it right at the tip of the cap, okay? And there's some I can cut off. But yes, this is definitely big head friendly. I'm gonna go ahead and put the back comb in for extra security. Yeah, and there's a piece of the cap that I'm gonna go ahead and snip off. So the next step is the glue process. So I'm gonna be using the Ghost Bond, and this is how it looks. And I'm just gonna be taking that and I'm gonna add this around the cap. And we're gonna do 2 applications of this. Now, either you can let this sit or blow dry, I would say like for 3 minutes, and then you'll come and reapply. So I'm gonna let this sit, reapply it, and then I'll come back and apply. I've gone ahead and put on the second layer. Now, you don't want it to be white, but you don't want it to be clear, because when it's clear, it's not going to stick, okay? If that makes sense. So you want to make sure that you have something to hold like your hair in place when you're applying the wig. So I'm just going to take my clip. All right, so we just want the hair out of the way when we apply the wig. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my back comb again and get my hair situated. So, and you see, I don't want no problems. Now I'm just going to apply the wig. So I'm going to start with the middle, and I'm just going to lay it right on top of the glue. Whatever your preference is, but I like to hold it first and then I'll blow dry it. I'm gonna take my blow dry real quick and blow it and come right back. Go ahead and go in with my Lotta Body first, and I'm just gonna add it to the sides for my parting. And then I'm gonna go in with my heat protectant oil, and I'm gonna add that too. I like my baby hairs just a little bit, so I'm gonna see what actually came with the lace. I'm just gonna add a tad. All right, y'all, I got cold. So once I have my edges molded and all that good stuff, I'm just going to take my my hot comb, and I'm just going to just comb out just the top part and try to figure out where I want my part, because I think I want to add some curls to this unit. And I've been feeling like my left side, so I think I'm gonna put it on the left. So once I'm done, I'm just gonna make my part. See, now y'all can see where the parting space allows me to go, because this is a 13 by 6. It's not a full frontal, but it is a deep part. So I'm gonna see how far I can go back. Okay, we don't have lace there. See if there's any lace here. That's what you have to be careful for with these units. Okay, so we have lace there. So I'm just gonna make this a deep part. Okay, and I'm gonna take the hot comb again while it's hot and just hot comb it. All right, so next is concealer. So we want to go ahead and put some concealer in our parting area, or foundation. I like to use foundation. So I'm just going to take this, which is what I use when I'm concealing my brows. Then I'm going to take some of my Milani and just a very little. I'm just going to take it and put it on, and we want to make this as flat as possible. And if you got a little on your hair, don't worry. I have on mascara, and I'm just going to take that and put it on the hair. All right, now let's see what we're working with. Now there's no layers to this hair. It is all one length, and in order for you to get some body with hair like this, you should definitely add some layers.
short. And you don't like short hair.
This is a wig.
You don't like short hair.
No, I don't. All right, y'all. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some curls to it. I'm gonna be using my flat iron by Nadula. I thought I turned this on. I'm very upset. This is the flat iron. I'm putting it to 450 degrees.
Hello.
I'm really liking these edges though, y'all.
Hello.
Oh, my baby said hi. Say hi, baby.
Hello.
And my girl. I'm just gonna take my scarf and put it around for extra security. Alright guys, so this is just for video purpose. I did some messy curls, so I'm gonna go ahead and comb through them. Alright, and take off the bonnet. Ooh, yes. Okay. Yeah, this hair has a lot of body. This is the final look. I could probably add a little bit more concealer here, but I love the hairline. Yeah, so this is the final look of this hair. If you want to know any information about this hair, you can go ahead and look in the description box. All the information will be there. Remember, this is the 14-inch body wave hair. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, thumbs up, subscribe, and do all the good stuff. Love you guys so much. Bye.